Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best instant ice cream makers for home that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to create delicious frozen treats with your kids or just want to experiment with new recipes, these products offer something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the ClimaFusion Rolled Ice Cream Maker in its delightful mint green design. This product is all about creating fun, parent-child bonding moments while making delicious frozen treats. With its manual operation, you can create everything from classic ice cream and frozen yogurt to slushies and even ice cream rolls. The included stainless steel pan is food grade 304, ensuring your desserts are safe and free from unwanted odors. The package also includes a spatula and a user manual for easy setup. The build quality is solid thanks to its stainless steel construction, and it's lightweight at just 2.55 pounds. However, the pan size, 10.24 inches long by 8.3 inches wide, means it's best suited for small batches, roughly 3 to 4 servings per freeze. This makes it ideal for families or small gatherings. The process is straightforward. Freeze the pan for 8 to 12 hours. Pour your mixture onto the surface and stir continuously until the mixture firms up. While the performance is reliable, it does require a bit of elbow grease compared to electric models. On the downside, customer reviews, rated 3.9 out of 5 stars, mention that the pan loses its coldness quickly, so you need to work fast. Additionally, the freezing time of 8 to 12 hours can be a limitation for those wanting instant results. Overall, the ClimaFusion Ice Cream Maker is a great entry-level option for those new to rolled ice cream making, but its small capacity and manual operation might not suit everyone. At number 4, we have the JoyMech Ice Cream Roll Maker in a vibrant sky blue color. This product is perfect for creating a variety of frozen treats, including rolled ice cream, sorbet, and slushies. Its greatest selling point is the simplicity of use. Just freeze the pan for 12 hours, pour your mixture, and scrape to create those beautiful ice cream rolls. With a capacity of 5.5 ounces per batch, this ice cream maker is great for kids or small households. The JoyMech features a stainless steel cold plate with a sturdy build, making it both durable and easy to clean. It's compact and lightweight at 2.4 pounds, and it's hand-washable for quick maintenance. Users have praised its ability to deliver consistent results with the right mixture, and the included scraper makes rolling ice cream a breeze. However, you'll need to freeze the plate thoroughly before use, which can take up to 12 hours. The JoyMech is also limited to about 3 servings per freeze, so it's not ideal for larger gatherings. With a customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, the JoyMech gets high marks for its user-friendly design and versatility. However, some users note that the cooling liquid inside the pan can lose effectiveness over time, and the freezing time might be a drawback for those seeking instant gratification. Overall, it's a solid choice for kids and families looking to have fun making ice cream together. Taking the number 3 spot is the Laudate Mini Rolled Ice Cream Maker in its charming peach fuzz color. This compact ice cream maker is designed for quick, homemade frozen treats and comes with a stainless steel cold plate and 2 spatulas. It's perfect for making gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt, offering a versatile experience for anyone looking to experiment with frozen desserts. The Laudate stands out for its sleek design and lightweight build. Weighing just 2.12 pounds, the cold plate is highly efficient, and users have praised its ability to freeze mixtures swiftly, thanks to its well-designed surface. The 2 included spatulas are a nice touch, allowing you to mix and roll with ease. However, its smaller dimensions, 9.8 by 8.2 inches, mean it's better suited for personal servings or small batches, making it less ideal for larger groups. With a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, the Laudate is well-loved for its simplicity and consistent performance. That said, some users have noted that the freezing duration of 8 to 12 hours is a bit long. Additionally, while it's great for DIY experimentation, the manual operation might not appeal to everyone. Overall, the Laudate is a fantastic choice for individuals or couples who want a fun and creative way to make frozen desserts at home. In the number 2 spot, we have the Jag Kitchen Supply Extra Large Rolled Ice Cream Maker. If you're looking for a larger ice cream tray to feed your family, this might just be the perfect pick. Measuring 14 by 10 inches, the tray nearly doubles the size of most competitors, allowing you to make significantly larger batches of ice cream rolls. The Jag Kitchen Supply Ice Cream Maker is built with durable stainless steel and is BPA-free, ensuring safety and longevity. The larger size makes it great for family gatherings or parties, as you can create more servings in a single session. It's incredibly easy to use. Just freeze the plate for 8 hours, pour your mixture, and start rolling. Users appreciate the quick and efficient freezing process, though it requires a bit of practice to master the rolling technique. Additionally, it's easy to clean with a quick hand wash, though it's not dishwasher safe. With a solid customer rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, this ice cream maker gets high marks for its size and performance. However, the larger size does make it bulkier to store, and the manual operation means it's not as convenient as electric models. Overall, the Jag Kitchen Supply Extra Large Rolled Ice Cream Maker is an excellent choice for families or anyone who loves hosting dessert-making parties at home. Finally, at number 1, we have the Icy Treat Ice Cream Maker Machine, a true game-changer in the world of home ice cream makers. This fully automatic model is packed with advanced features, including 12 one-touch programs for creating everything from classic ice cream and gelato to frozen drinks and milkshakes. Powered by Ice Vortex technology, its dual-sided stainless steel blade system ensures ultra-smooth results every time. The Icy Treat stands out for its premium build quality, with a durable stainless steel interior and a powerful brushless motor designed to last over 20,000 hours. It comes with 3 family-size tubs, a scoop, and a recipe book, making it a complete package for ice cream enthusiasts. The deep cleaning removable blade system is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. Users rave about its consistent texture, ease of use, and versatility, earning it a stellar 4.5 out of 5 stars. While it's the most expensive and heaviest option on our list at 14.8 pounds, its performance justifies the price. It's perfect for families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who loves experimenting with frozen desserts. If you're looking for a top-tier ice cream maker that combines convenience, quality, and versatility, the Icy Treat Ice Cream Maker Machine is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.